Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the registered symbol sign on Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the registered symbol on your Microsoft Office Word web. So you just click on the insert option here. So where that you need to insert. I just need to insert in all. So click on the symbol option here. So here you can see there is a lot of symbols are here given. There is actually default symbol. You can just place your cursor on the top. You can find the name of the symbol. Just click, this is the register symbol actually. You can place here, or you can just make a delete here and come here, then click on the symbol again, just place this. So by using this option you can easily place the register symbol on your Microsoft Office Word web. Here the symbol option, if you need a more symbol, click on the more symbol option here. So there's a lot of symbols are here, so you can easily insert the symbol from these options. So you can find the various type of symbols from here, so you can also use this from here too. So if you need a different type of symbols, you can also use the bullet options. So define a new bullet option, go here, then you can see there is a lot of the options are here. There are a lot of different type of bullet symbols are here, so you can use this from this too. So you can see, so by using this, you can see register symbols also here. Just click on insert, you can insert the symbol. So in the web version they have given in the bullet points. You can see the symbols of slow, go and go to the most symbol, and here you can see there is a less symbol. So to have more symbol you just need to use the bulleting points. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about Microsoft Office Word web, you just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing up from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.